Hey everyone! Today we will be making a top of round steak roast. I'm super excited because this is the first week of fall. However, you would not know that if you were looking at the temperature because it is currently 90 degrees outside here in Northern California. But fall weather makes me want a nice, yummy, warm, roasty sort of meal. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go ahead and make our top of round steak roast. We're gonna first sear it in the on the stove top, and then we're gonna pop that one in the oven. And then for our sides, I'm going to be making a rosemary garlic mashed potato and broccoli. Just normal, run-of-the-mill steamed broccoli. You can do whatever kind of sides you want. That's the beauty of a roast. So grab yourself a glass of wine, pop some red lipstick on, and please join me as we make this top of round steak roast.
And I wait and I don't even know what I can't let you. It's only in my mind. Sometimes
So while our steak is in the oven, we can go ahead and get started on the rosemary garlic mashed potatoes. We're gonna make these exactly how you would make normal mashed potatoes, except we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of chopped rosemary and garlic as well. this a taste. We have got our lovely mashed potatoes, which were cooked in garlic, and then they've got that rosemary that's added to them. They're really good. They're not super starchy, which I like. If I had a potato masher, I think I would have done a better job at the actual mashing part of the potatoes. But I like that they're not, you know, mixed with like a beater, because I think that tends to make the mashed potatoes a little bit more of the starchy. I also prefer keeping the skin on the potatoes. If that's something that you don't prefer, you can just peel the skin right off. For these guys, I think it would have been better if they had been cooked just a tiny bit longer. I had them on the stovetop for about 15 minutes. I think I would up that to 20. Now let's give the steak a try. First, let's cleanse our palate. Okay. It's good. It's really nice and tender, pretty flavorful too. So I had this steak in the oven at 325 for about 45 minutes. And I think I would have checked it at about 35 for this size. The size steak we used today was about 2 pounds. So yeah, it just as a guideline next time for that size of a steak, I think I'll reduce the time a little bit more, because I definitely prefer a more medium rare steak. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I had a lot of fun making this meal, and I hope that you guys did too. As always, please click to subscribe to see more videos of cooking and baking in my kitchen. And please like and comment as well. Also, if there is a recipe that you want me to try, please put that in the comment section and I'll go ahead and give it a shot. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.